Hello everybody, I'm going to give you a quick short jewelry hack for those with motor skills issues or medical disabilities with motor skills or don't have the best of hands when it comes to things like pendants and jewelry. I'm going to show you an easy trick to collapse these things for them. To collapse these things together with little or no, with less stress. Okay. Now I went on Temu and got, I think, 4 or 3 things of. I have a problem, big problem with motor skills of things like these are magnetic clasps. They help just join together the chain. So what you do is, first, you want to do this in a more well-lit situation. So what you're going to do is make sure your chain is separated. Then you're going to take the first end that has this right here. Let me show everybody. You're going to take the end that has this little piece right here. Then you're going to find where it has the little hook here. Now your goal is to, hold on everybody. As you can see, that end right here is connected. Hold on everybody. As you can see now, where this end right here has that little piece. Hanging down. Now we go, now on the part that doesn't have anything, that clasp, you want to use this piece right here that has this thing right here. So that little hook, that little thing you see, so this end, so this little hook end right here is going to go on the part where the hook part, the clasp hook would normally go in. And we'll try to give you a good thing here. Hold on. So now, on these, you have to hold these open. Perfect. Now, as you can see, both pieces here are now joined. So now what will happen, once I do this here, now they both, so all I did was right here, the part that didn't have the hook clasp, the hook clasp and the magnet was attached to that end, and the part that had the clasp hook, the claw, the one without it went there.